So, Blue Ridge and Craggy Peak was kind of a fail, only because the road is closed. This one was, and the other one was, but we still got this. Check that out. Yeah. So, not too bad. We're gonna see what else we can find today. Today's gonna be kind of more of like winging it because our main place was closed. So I guess that's the backfire of doing this on Sunday. So we're heading to the next location and we're going.
No more peace signs? Wow. Look at this. How neat is that? That's pretty neat.
What's up, guys? We made it almost to the top. The top's right there. So we're at the Pulpit Rock, which gives us this view, which is freaking gorgeous. There's Alec and Evan and Mark coming in ninja. Look at that. How neat is that? That's pretty neat. My hair's going everywhere because it's windy as crap. Alright, we made it to the top of this one, and pretty sick. There's Evan. Hey Evan. More peace signs. A whole trip. I'll flip it around so you guys can see better.
No thanks.
Make the vlog a little edgy.
It's Devil's Head. This is pretty much covered up over here, but this is really high. And there's actually still more mountain. You could, I guess, climb, but it goes stupid high. So, pretty much we're gonna head to a waterfall now. So it's gonna be cool. Take some more pics, right? Yeah. No peace signs from Alec. Only Evan does that. It's Evan's trademark. So yeah, start vlogging over there then, and we'll make our way. That sun flare. Okay. All right, I'm done. So now we're on our way to the Hickory Nuts Waterfall. So, Mark, you holding okay?
What's up, man? Yeah, I'm good. Oh, never mind.
Oh. I mean, it's still beautiful.
You're beautiful.
How neat is this, huh?
How neat is this, huh?
So we made it to the waterfall.
Look at that.
Look at that. Pretty sick. I don't know what he's taking pictures of. I mean, just hello. Look at that. That's sick. That is so tight. Yeah, buddy. Isn't that beautiful? Dang. Got a team over here. Squad. And I'm out here. Just so you can check out my view. Yeah. So I didn't get very close to the waterfall, but I will. So I just realized my hand was covering the mic, so I'm sorry if you heard nothing I said. But it took us a few minutes to get over here. The hike was a little bit longer than we thought, but I mean this view though, right? Sick. I'll show you the waterfall again. Right? It's sick. And I'm just over here chilling. I'd film how I'm getting over to the cave where Alec is heading. So here we are. It's a little sketchy. Nothing too bad. So right now we're right up on it. Yeah. This way. There we go. Alex over there. Right there. So now we're gonna cross to get into the cave. Right over here. So that was a fail. This is the cave. It's not really a cave. Just a couple rocks. There's the waterfall. Evan decided to join me. So far I'm chasing Alec up the mountain. Made some progress. Oh, this is a flat spot, so it's easier to film here. Waterfall again. So beautiful. Alright, so now I gotta find him. Alright, so I found Alec up here. Woo! He seemed to venture his way all the way up here on the waterfall. So yeah, they look really tiny from here now.
We're going back down.
So I think they ended up here too.
Made it. Yeah.
More key signs. Yeah. Perspective on what we climbed to. Here's the waterfall. We climbed up here, through there, up there, up there. We ended up there. So pretty far. It was a lot of fun. So sketchy. But we did it. So me and Alec decided to go a little off track and climb some rocks. I mean, here's a little view where we got to. It's pretty safe, huh? Waterfall's over there. So pretty tight. So Mark and Evan are way down there on the trail, so I'm gonna stop filming and I'm gonna take some pictures. So get back here. So let's see, we're going to which fall is it called?
I don't know.
I forgot.
Catawba.
Yeah, I never remember.
Became the same after a while.
Yeah, but we're heading to another waterfall now, so kind of a cool trail right here. So we're heading to one more. We're catching the sunset at this one. The sun's right over there, so it should look beautiful.
Pretty neat.
And pretty neat. So we'll update when we get there. And Mark's already taking pictures. I don't know why. It's just a trail.
You know what? The trail has nice tones.
The tonage. A game of tones. That was clever, right, guys?
It's not like there's a page dedicated to it or not.
No, yeah, no, not at all. This trail's getting pretty cool, so I decided to vlog through it. Got some cool views along the way. Oh, probably. Someone told us about this place, so coming through here, we actually weren't gonna visit this waterfall, and they told us about it, saying it was way cooler than the one we just did. So that convinced us to come to this one. Alright guys, I made it a little bit farther than the guys did, even though Alec was over here, so there they are. There they go. And this is what I got to. Well, I'll flip it around so you guys can really see how it is. It's ridiculous. Yeah, check that out. Isn't that just awesome? Damn. We're gonna hike back and we might grab some food, we might not, but that's pretty much the end of today's journey. I'll catch you guys later. So I was wrong, this is not the end of our trip. We are heading towards the bigger part of the waterfall. I didn't know there was a bigger part, but we're going there now, so yeah. And check out this, what we're just walking across. This is beautiful. I'll see you at the top. Apparently the last waterfall is right around here. There it is. So we're just gonna follow the leader. Pretty intense hike, I'll say that. There's rocks everywhere. This is beautiful. Wow, that's gorgeous. I'll see you on. So I'm gonna vlog from the log that I'm sitting on. And that rhymed, hey. But there's Mark. And here's the waterfall. Isn't that just gorgeous? Oh my gosh. So sweet. So I'm kind of standing here, bouncing on this log and vlogging at the same time. This place is so beautiful. I don't really want to go home tomorrow. So we'll just check that out. It's so beautiful. And there's Mark. With the waterfall. And Mark. With the waterfall. Okay, that's pretty much it for our adventures today. So we'll see you guys later. That's pretty neat.
That's pretty neat.
Before we go, Mark's doing a little foot gram. That's pretty neat.